I'm going to discuss with you how to create a simple website using Django framework. We know that Django is one of the most popular framework in Python. So let's start. For that, first we have to create a project. So there is a syntax for that: Django admin start project. Here I am giving my site. So created the project my site. Here the folder created my site. Inside there is a file called manage.py. This is important file for managing. Then there is my site folder. And see inside there is a settings and there is a URLs. You will check out the settings. This settings file, we know that almost all framework there is a settings file. Same like this is the setting file. Here we have debug equal to true. So means it show the error messages and warning messages. If you go for the production, you have to get to false. This security key, this error was this installed app, already installed library app. Then this is like language code, time zone, extra, everything is there like normal settings. There is another file called URL. Here this is the URL structure which is defined. So we have the project is ready here. Next is let's start create an application. So for that we have to go inside for cd my site python manage dot. This is the syntax to create an application. Start app name I am giving blog. Is saying manage.py. Spelling is mistake is there. Thereby I have given this manage.py. Start a blog. So start an application. So inside the my site folder there is a folder created blog. Inside there is files like models, views, and admin. So we know that this is a model view controller. So model, if you open, nothing is there, just importing models. View also nothing is there. We have to write whatever views we need. So let's go for the project. So to view the project, we have a Python Django command Python manage.py run server. This is a run server command. Server is running. See the server is running. Start a development server. This is the default localhost IP address with port 8000. Open this. See this worked successfully. Congratulations. So Django is project is ready. So this is a default index page. So we can change customize this. So let's start debug this. We have to show the admin side. We know that we have an admin side for this every framework, but there is an admin side. Here also the admin is there, default admin is there. For that, first we have to migrate Python manage.py. We have already created one more application block. So here we have to specify the block. Inside the settings, root folder, we'll write the block. So manage and make migrate. Migrating, no change migrating, let migrate. So admin everything is migrating. So let's open admin side. Asking for the Again, we have to start the server. Every time we have to start the server, then only it will come. So if you open, admin is there, but we are asking for the admin username password. So how to create username password for the admin? For that we have a command python.manage.py. Everything will start with manage.py. Create super user. Creating super user. It's ask for the username. I give an admin. Email ID test at admin.com. Password is I given admin 4321. Admin 4321. Created the admin. Here the username is admin 4321. Again we have to run the server. Admin 4321. Login. Here default administrator for Django administrator. This is users. We have the user here. If you need, you can create new user. So you can manage, you can edit the users, you can add file, make extra details. Everything is there with default. This is the front end. So how to change the front end? And your own code you have to put. We have to add hello world in the front end. So how to do that? For that, first we have to use URL. Here I have the URL here. In this URL, I'm also including importing includes importing include here. So I'm going to configure the that blog folder. We have already in that application is there. So we have to include blog.urls. Checking the views things. We have one more this thing. That is that. It will show the here. No named blog URL. So we have to create URL in the blog. How to create that? We'll go for the my site blog folder. We are creating URL structure here. This is the URL we are using. So we have to include the config URL. It's going to import. I have to import blog models also here. Blog view I'm importing. So here this is the structure. Now we need to frame the URL. I want blank URL home page should call a function inside and equal to function and equal to index, call a function index So that index function I have to define inside the view. There's a few, first you have to HTTP response. Yeah, HTTP library inside the HTTP response is there. Now I am going to define the function. Define index, we have the defined request from the this should return HTTP response. Here I'm going to write hello world. So let's see the syntax. Run server, you check it out, any error is there. There is an error. View index name. View is not defined. View is not defined. So some small error in importing, I think. Here import views. Here view dot index, instead of we have to give views. So that's a mistake. Name is here index. Save. Here is saying module blog views has no attribute index. This is not there, saying we have to write index. That's a mistake. So it will solve. See the solve. Run server. See this ready. Go for the index page. See the magic. Go for the index blog page. Hello world is coming. So next is what you have to write. Some of the URL. I'm going to write view. As views, it could call index. It should call index. In view, I'm going to write one more function. Index true should return hello view. This block, if you go for the view, hello view. So like that you can give any URL structure here. First you have to define the URL here in the session, then you have to call the function, which will call in this function index.toPHP. This will call hello world, which automatically print the response. Is simple. So next we'll handle with models. I need to create a model. Here I have model class. I'm going to create a table here. This is a tab for that. Models dot model is the default syntax. First time I'm going to add page ID equal to field name model dot auto increment auto field primary equal to true Click true. Next is page title models feed max then they get 200 page title and page content fill name page content I given this is you have to text variable models dot text field model dot text field I given maximum length 1000 I given help text equal and name I given. So this is the default. First is they're saying there is a space use of page title. You have to use the correct index. They have to use the correct spacing. They're saying base title model calculate maximum length equal to 400. Some issue is there. Check the sample file. We have already defined files there. We'll copy here. It's running correctly. So if you give some spacing correct, this landing everything should be correct. Otherwise, you should have is done. Next is you have to migrate again. For before migrating, I have to open admin side. Admin is there. The page I have to import from models. Import page imported and admin dot site dot register page. So we should automatically register a page from the admin and we have to migrate. Migrating. Log is applied. Then you have to go for the admin side. You have to run the server again. Every time you have to run the server. See, the blog is created. This is a page. Add a page. Can page type other name, page content you are given. Here we are given page ID. This is the field. Page title is the field. Page author is the field. Page content is the field. Page name is the field. So this is automatically creating. So I am going to create contact. Contact content. I given save. Signify is not defined. They're saying that means we have to import that module signify here that basically slug, we are using the slug. So let's say it's added, contact is added, this is the page. So next, how to view that contact page in URL, we have to play the game there to view that. I'm going to add one more code for that. See the code here. It's the URL. Blog view is now attribute blog page. Here we don't have blog page in the attributes, so we have to use that blog page function. Inside the function, you are going to write blog page function. But it will go, it will take the request and the page content, it will take the page slug and it will pass to hello world in hello.html inside the template. So we have to create a one template inside the blog. There's a photo code templates inside the template. We have to create a new file, save as hello.html. This is HTML file. Inside the templates, save, run, go for the run server, contact. And page is not defined because my page is not defined. Inside the settings, we have given apps, views, blog page. Yeah, here we are not using the page in the view, so we had to import the page here. See, this is coming from the hello.html. Hello. See how it's coming. We have some default HTML file. You define that. We are getting the data from the views. We have the page here, h2 slash h2 page dot object. We have page title. Yeah, echoing the page title. Page title is now coming. Let's go for the some HTML5 you have to type. There's an HTML file. So here I'm going to print page. and then this page. Page content is not coming. Here we have to go that HTML hello.html inside the views. It's coming from the post hello.html post. It's coming as a post, so it should come like post or page title. See, the contact is coming. We have for given not given. Here we are given post instead of page. We are given post. So this is page content. Next we need page content. So we have to write page content. We have model we are given page content. So page content here. See the page content. See page content is coming. So we are going to create one more page. Add new page. I'm going to give about. It is an about us page displaying about us content. Save and continue. This content is said pages about us content. So if you go here, I'm going to give about. See about content is coming. In this way you can create how many page you can create. The same way you can create the post also. Just you have to create models with post. You can add post. Just you have to copy the class and paste. You have to give post. Same like you have to go for the use. Is that in admin side? Control do post. Control D post. Should come there. Post is there inside the blog. Okay. Edit the post. Blog post, no such a table because we didn't give migrate. We have to give migration. You know that Python manage.py migrate. So every time when creating the table, you have to migrate. First, you have to make manage.py make migrations. See created model post. Make migrate. So model post is applying. Go for the post. We have the post here, so we have to run again. Every time you have to run the server. Refreshing. Post is that. Block post. You cannot post. Content test. article or the article content. Save and continue. Because of this article class, we have given the model name, page name, you can create page, save, it will ask for this thing, about us page. Same way you can do the post also. Thank you.